Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that DGByte coin broke out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that you can see that the price and rallied very well. I was telling you that the target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 1 cent, and you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target, and during this rally the price and has broken out two very significant resistance. One was this 1 cent and the second was 1.3 cents, and so far from this low to this high, it has rallied almost 127%, and recently it has formed a rising wedge pattern. Here we have found the support of this newly formed rising wedge pattern, and this is the resistance of this wedge. And let me place a resistance line here. You can see that it is moving inside this wedge, and this is a bit critical, by the way, because this is a bearish bias pattern, and you can see that it is again and again testing the support here. We had a long spike on 5th of March, but the price had recovered back very soon after testing this long-term support of 1.3 cents and the support of the rising wedge pattern, but still moving at the support. And on a weekly time frame chart, DigiByte coin has broken out two very huge resistance levels. One was the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern that was happened here in the month of January 2023. You can see we broke out the resistance of this wedge. And after that, it broke out another falling wedge pattern here in the month of November 2023. And recently, we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of 1 cent that had been previously breaking other resistance here, and for several weeks, it has been breaking other resistance here as well. And now recently, we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of 1.3 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And now it can again work as a nice support. And we have also broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now the cloud is flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, now it can work as a long-term support for the price line. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for Cardano, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, I shared this trade signal on 13th of Feb 2023. You can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone. And below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of DigiByte coin. And previously I was showing you this falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, it can hit the target here at the bottom, at the top of the wedge, approximately at 1 cent. And you can see that the price end has rallied beyond that target. But recently it has formed this rising wedge pattern. That is, by the way, visible, also visible on the daily time frame chart as well. And you can see that we have several rejections by the resistance and several touch points at the support as well. For the past few days, you can see it is continuously testing the support. Here we had a long spike to the downside on 5th of March when we had extreme sell-off, but the price had recovered back very soon and did not break down this long-term support of 1.3 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.3 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. Therefore, now it is breaking as a nice support. And in case of breaking it down, the target, let me show you this breakdown. In case of breaking it down, this support of the rising wedge pattern, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 1 cent. And over there, we have another very, very long-term support. Let me move back on the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that this 1 cent had been previously breaking other resistance here, and for several weeks a month, it had been breaking other resistance here as well. And now we can see that we have also broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Now, cloud is also flipped into a bullish cloud. You can see that this tiny bullish cloud, that is a very, very nice and bullish signal, very huge, in fact, bullish signal on the 7 days time frame chart, because after so many weeks, or not so many weeks, even years, it is flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, I'm expecting that it will be now turning more and more bullish, and it will be working as a very long-term and strong support. This time, the support of the Ichimoku cloud is exactly at the support of 1 cent. Therefore, I'm not expecting that this time. For example, if we will have a pullback, then it may, I'm not expecting that it may break down the support of 1 cent. Now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, then target for the breakout will be here. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then the target can be approximately at 2.5 cents. And the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is happened on the 7-day time frame chart is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 1.84 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately between 18 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.